Hey, I'm Rainey, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite uplifting essential oil body spray recipes that is not only easy to make, but also easy to use. So let's go ahead and dive right in. One of the reasons why I love using essential oils in our home is that it helps me to be able to create non-toxic products for myself and my family. So this is one of my favorite sprays and I'm excited to share it with you today. So you're gonna want an 8-ounce glass spray bottle. So one similar to this, it'll look similar to this. There are many different ones you can find on Amazon and other essential oil accessory stores. The next thing is you're gonna want about 10 to 15 drops each of the tangerine essential oil, the clary sage essential oil, and the bergamot essential oil. So you're gonna want about 10 to 15 drops of there. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel after you're done adding your essential oils into the glass spray bottle, and then you top that off with filtered water to end kind of creating your spray bottle. And that's it. It is so simple and easy to create and make. And again, one of the reasons why I love using essential oils is because they just help you to be able to create these non-toxic products for your family. So this is my uplifting spray bottle, and I love using it first thing in the morning or throughout the day as needed. So if you don't have access to an 8-ounce glass spray bottle, you could always use what you have. So you probably have some essential oil bottles laying around that you aren't using anymore. Just go ahead and rinse those out, and you can use this to create your own spray bottle. So these spray tops can be found on Amazon or other essential oil stores, and you just simply create the spray in this bottle instead of your 8-ounce one. So with the ratio for these, you want about 2 to 3 drops of essential oils and about half a teaspoon of witch hazel for your spray bottle if you're using old essential oil bottles. And that's it. It's all ready to go, and all you have to do is shake and spray it as needed. If you love this body spray recipe and you want more body spray recipes that you can use, I'm gonna leave a link below to one of my guides, 15 body spray essential oil recipes, plus it comes with labels you can print out and add to your bottles as well. So I'll go ahead and leave a link below for you to check out. I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'd love to answer any questions you may have. So, all right, I hope you have a good day. Also, if you loved this and want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified when more videos come out.